was actually a little bit frightening.
Mm.
You think? Have you ever in your life?
I've never seen that. I've never seen some damage, no?